I feel like there's a lot more opportunities, a lot more doors open, and there's an effort on the part of community college staff to make sure those doors are open for the students. I came back then in 2008 and I was working on my Associates of Science. One of the requirements was to take a geology class. And in that class I met Josh Villalobos as my instructor. He found it very important to get geology students exposure into the field because that's a really big part of being a geologist. So he organized field trips around the El Paso area. We went to some gypsum caves near Carlsbad Cavern. We actually got to do kind of spelunking with the lights on our heads going into the caves. Josh allowed us to just kind of ask questions whenever we needed it. We didn't feel scared to ask him things, so I felt like it was a very nice environment for me to get back into school and feel more confident about learning the new topics again.